Hi, good day. Today is
27.
Sunday,
Yeah,
September
27.
27, 2020. How are you, Albert?
I'm doing great. But it's a gloomy Sunday afternoon.
Gloomy Sunday ba? Di naman mula
It's
na.
dark afternoon kasi earlier it's so bright and sunny. Now it's cloudy and gloomy.
Ayan, okay. So, how was your week?
Well, kinda stressful. Kinda lang naman because of my work. Pero overall, gawan ko naman ng paraan to cope up on everything.
Ako, ano ba? Busy pa ako. Busy work week. Pero, wala naman ako masyadong ginawa. Ay, hindi. Yun.
Para marami kang ginawa.
Ay, busy pala ako kasi nadiskarga yung battery ng sasakyan tapos nagpa-maintenance ako. Ayun. Wala naman actually topic for today na wala kaming masyadong na-prepare. Actually, I'm not prepared.
We are not prepared.
Pero,
but we have something in mind.
yeah. Kasi, nakapanood ako ng interview ni Shannon Beveridge.
About?
Interview lang, tapos, na-discuss lang nila yung mga, coming out stories.
Okay.
Yung personal channel ko, yun talaga yung pinaka, purpose.
Kasi naman, let me know, diba? Your personal channel.
Yung personal channel ko, kasi secret lang talaga yun.
I hate you.
Wala pa akong courage na
I don't
i-share.
judge, don't worry.
I-share
You know me
with
for like,
with my friends.
since,
Maybe in time,
ano
you
ba
know.
yan? We know each other since 4th grade.
Hindi kasi,
And now, we're now 33.
yan. Tapos
I don't judge.
mga nakakailang episodes pa lang ako doon. Kasi yung ibang content ko, to be honest with you, hindi siya podcast na format. Kalat, may mga vlogs, may mga sumusulat ako.
Okay.
Yan.
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko naman alam yun. Kasi
Pero yung iba, hindi ko na ma-retrieve kasi nga, nakalimutan ko na yung mga password, mga ganyan.
Kakainis ka.
Ayan. So, yung mga sinulat ko before, nawala na siya. Pero okay lang. Ayun nga. So, for today, topic namin is coming out and other misconceptions about LGBT, about being gay and about being lesbian. So, ikaw, Albert, paano ka nag-come out?
Come out? Paano ba? Nung grade 6 tayo. Kasi remember nung sa school natin, pwede ko sabihin, wag na. Sa Woodridge, 'di ba? Every first grading, may ang kukuha ng report card natin is our parents. So what happened nung grade 6? So si Papa ang kumuha. Then parang ang na-mention ng class advisor ko. Sabihin ko ba, wag na. Class advisor ko is
Malambot ka?
hindi naman. Ang sabi nung ito talaga naalala ko. Ang sabi nung class advisor ko before that there's no problem with me in academics. It's just that I'm so talkative. And that advisor of mine, grade 6 tayo, feeling ko kilala mo. That advisor of mine, she told Papa na my friends, mostly my friends are girls, that's why I'm talkative. So, siguro, Papa had a hint that I am gay. And, yun nga, kasi dito rin sa place namin, I was teased by my playmates, our neighbors, that I'm gay. So, ayun, then he asked me if I'm gay or not. So, diretsahan, sabi ko, oo. Then, parang basta may tinanong pa sa akin si Papa na to confirm na talagang kung gay ba ako, pero hindi niya, ayoko na sabihin kung ano yung tinanong niya, pero basta kinonfirm ko, ginagawa ko yun, but I'm gay, sabi ko. So hindi niya ako kinakausap mga 2-3 weeks, hindi naman siya nagalit sa akin. So ayun, so yun, ganun lang.
Yun na yung pinaka-coming out mo?
For me, oo, yun na yung pinaka-coming out ko.
With your mother?
Parang ganun na rin, yun na rin yun, of course, alam na nila.
Parang nag-usap
Mama.
sila, ganyan.
Oo, syempre. Most likely, they discussed about it. Pero yung formality with her, parang until now, alam na nila yun. Parang gano'n.
Yun na yun, gets mo na yun.
Yeah, what you see is what you get. So, hindi ko na masyadong, wala na yung moment na we're on the dining table, biglang, di ba, yung usual na, ma, I'm gay, ganon. Wala akong ganon. So, until yan, okay naman kami. Ayun.
Sa akin on my end, parang hindi talaga ako nag-come out.
Oh, di ba? I know. Di ka talaga nag-come out.
Hindi talaga ako nag-come out. Siguro nung high school.
I know, nung high school pa lang tayo. I know.
Nung grade school, nasisense ko na parang nagka-crush ako sa mga girls, ganyan. Tapos nung high school, parang I tested the waters kasi. I had this close friend of mine.
Yeah, I know him.
Drop, pero
yeah, the very very brief relationship.
Yeah. Tsaka nag-try kami manood ng porn and we tried to see if parang magkakaroon ng effect on me, pero parang wala. Tapos, nung college na, naligawan kasi ako ng magandang babae.
Oh my God! Grabe! She's a girl naman.
Naligawan ako. Tapos, sobrang ginusto ko naman. Tapos parang, yun na, parang, hindi ko nga alam na, relationship na pala yun. Parang yun talaga yung pinakauna ko na relationship. Tapos, sila mama kasi hindi rin naman nagtatanong.
Oh yeah, oo. Parang feeling ko nga, yung family natin, we're the same na, hindi tayo ma-open up na tao. We're not raised na we open up things. Basta siguro gano'n na lang. Pag nagkaroon na lang ng confrontation. Oo, siguro pag nagkaroon na lang ng confrontation, pero parang di kasi confrontational yung mother ko especially. Siguro si Papa, ayun. Kaya he asked me before. Ayun.
So wala talaga akong coming out. Parang nung college ako, nakipagrelasyon na lang ako, tapos parang sobrang tinatago ko. Tapos parang, syempre, first relationship, tapos, parang wala talaga akong idea na parang, ito na pala yun, ito na ba yun? Tapos, confused pa ako na parang, is this what I really want?
Anong college na tayo niyan?
Oo. Is this what I really want? Kasi parang
Pero nung time na yan, hindi ka pa talaga confirm sa sarili mo. You haven't really confirmed on yourself.
Hindi pa masyado. Kasi parang andun ako sa yung thinking na parang, shit, this is not right.
Okay.
Parang malito.
Okay.
Parang malito.
It's wrong, but it feels right.
Oo. Parang,
oh my God.
Parang ganun. Tapos, nung naligawan ako, parang, may iba palang mundo. This is, parang, ito pala yung gusto ko.
Yeah, diba?
Tapos, nung nag-work na ako,
it's an eye-opener.
Nagtanong lang sa akin si Papa. Sabi niya, katulad ka ba ni Charis?
Oh my God! Charis,
actually, yun
pyramid!
Parang feeling ko yun yung confirmation with my parents. Kasi parang pabiro pa niya sinabi na parang, katulad ka ba ni Charis Pampenko? Tapos natawa na lang ako. Hindi ako nag
silence means yes.
Hindi ako nagsabi na oo, hindi ako nagsabi ng hindi. Natawa lang ako sa ko. Grabe, ba't ganun? So wala talagang coming out, pero yung parents ko na yung nagtanong. Tsaka hindi ko rin naman kasi tinago.
Oo, yeah. Kahit din naman
hindi
ako. Siguro nung mga grade 6 tayo or first year. Hindi, grade 6 kasi nalaman, pero prior to that I'm so closeted kasi if grade 6
closeted ka pa nun, tangina.
Hindi kasi sa school, syempre I'm so out pero dito sa bahay, I'm so prim and proper. Siguro maganda lang din nangyari is that when I came out sa parents ko nung nagkaroon na ng confirmation, after that, parang nothing changed. Hindi ako nagpaka girl. I'm not saying na sa mga kasama natin sa third sex is mali yung ginawa nilang magpaka-girl after they went out, pero kasi hindi ako ganon. Hindi ako naging ganon until college parang I think I have to prove myself to them. Kaya before when I still go sa school, talagang prim and proper lang ako.
Wow.
Konti. So, in front of them. Kaya I'm also is talagang pinove ko sa kanila na I have to finish my studies, gano'n. Alam mo kasi merong konting pressure pag nasa third sex tayong nasa third sex, I mean. Alam mo yung asaran ng mga bakla na nga tanga pa. No, totoo. It's not harsh. Parang it also served as a challenge to me na, alam mo yun, bakla ka na nga. We're being discriminated ka na nga, boba ka pa. So it gave me a challenge to finish my studies. Ayun. You know naman what happened, 'di ba? So, we got depleted financially after my father died because of CA. So, talagang pinurso ko yung pagtatapos. Ayun. So when I got my degree, finished my degree, so talagang for me, yun na yung moment na prove ko na sa sarili ko na to everyone na even though I'm this, I'm gay, I made it. Ganun. Hindi naman I made it, but I already proven something. Ayun. Ikaw?
Sa akin kasi ano ba, wala eh, walang pressure on my parents end. Hindi ko naman na-feel yung pressure to prove myself. Walang ganun.
Oh, hindi naman ako na pressure.
Ano lang, parang ayoko lang na parang sa sarili ko na lang na parang ayoko na masabihan ako na tibukan na nga tapos gano'n.
Yun na nga, yun yung
pero
sinasabi.
yung sa kanila, parang you can do whatever you want. Basta tapusin mo yung pag-aaral mo, after you study, magkaroon ka ng sarili mong trabaho, then you can do whatever
I think ganun
you
din naman si mama at si papa sa akin. It's just, siguro hindi lang sila masyadong vocal. Pero, yun nga. Yeah, we have, parang lahat naman tayo, not just on the third sex, we have to finish our studies and have a degree. Ayun.
Pero alam mo, minsan, napapaisip ako, bakit yung mga straight, hindi nila kailangan magsabi na, I'm straight. I'm straight.
Wala,
hindi mo lang ganun eh.
That's
bakit
that's nature kasi. That's
lesbian
nature.
ka, pag gay ka, pag trans ka, kailangan
mabot ka sa point
na kailangan mo pang sabihin kung ano ka. Pero, I'm not saying, you know what, coming out is not a necessity. Sa ngayon hindi siya kailangan, pero, hindi ka nga nagka-come out, pero parang everyday you are coming out, especially pag may bago kang work.
Yun, you have to confirm with them. Di ba nga katulad sa experience ko nung apply ako for a work when I'm starting, they always ask me if I'm gay or not. So parang kailangan mong i-prove sa kanila. Bakit kailangan pang tanong?
Siguro nung araw
siguro that time it's
tinatanong pa siya.
Tinatanong siya.
Pero ngayon kasi parang hindi na, it doesn't really
it's
matter.
Unnecessary. It's unnecessary na lang siguro ngayon to some companies na they have to know on what gender are you. Ayun.
Kasi ako, nung sa mga resume ko, sa CV, naglalagay pa ako ng picture. Tapos lagi ang picture ko nilalagay ko. Long hair ako. Tapos pagdating sa interview, magugulat sila, short hair ako, tapos may kulay. Tapos, nung time pa na yun, ang peg ko, emo, naka-black nails.
Yeah.
Tapos tawag dito, eyeliner na makapal, ganyan.
Then one-sided ang hair.
Ayun. So, hindi na nila ako tinatanong. Ayun. So, yun. Ang sinasabi lang namin is, we have our coming out stories, pero it doesn't necessarily mean na you have to come out. Siguro, you can do that on your own pace, in your own time, pero hindi ibig sabihin kailangan mo mag-come out. If you're not confident or hindi ka comfortable na gawin yun, you don't have to. And nobody is going to pressure you to do that. Sa ngayon sa panahon ngayon na parang medyo may idea na lahat ng tao about who we are, what we are, and what we do.
Ewan ko.
So, yun.
Actually, buti nga ngayon, medyo madali na lang to some people na mag-out. For me, I think lang
Tsaka may konting understanding and knowledge na yung ibang tao about. Kasi LGBT, napakalaking spectrum niya eh. Hindi siya yung parang black, white, gray, whatever color that is. Sobrang
marami na siya.
Ako
Nag-evolve.
nga parang
kahit ako nagulat.
Yeah, kahit ako LGBT, parang putik, ano yun?
Merong
minsan
pansexual.
nalilito. Pansexual, queer. Queer sa gay, sa
kaya nga pag may nagtatanong sa akin, Albert Ashley, di ba Ashley tawag sa office, gay, yun lang, kasi di ba maraming for me kasi parang, as long as you are attracted to the same sex, same gender, I think you're already considered gay. Yun lang sa tingin ko, in my opinion. I'm not saying na hindi ko naman binabash yung mga bisexual people. Pero yun lang ang opinion ko. Once you are attracted to the same gender, to the same sex, you're already considered gay or lesbian. Ganun lang, sa akin ganun lang kasimple. Kasi I have this office mate, share ko lang ayoko na siya pangalanan. Softy siya, dude. Super softy siya na lalaki Then pag alam mo naman kami mga bakla. We call each other sa office. Sisters, ganyan. Nagagalit siya. Hindi daw siya gay. Bisexual daw siya. Oh, okay. Okay, so back off na lang ako. Whatever. So, sorry. Tapos, ayun. Kaya dead man na lang. Fine, whatever. Pero yun nga, again, in my opinion, kung ikaw ay attracted or you fell in love with the same sex, so I think that's suffice to say na, or I'm sorry, hindi suffice enough to prove that you are gay or lesbian.
Sa akin naman, parang my take on it is we really don't have to label someone or something.
Siguro. Okay.
Ako, I hate labels kasi ako pag ako tinatanong, wala, gusto ko babae. Ganon ako sumagot.
Yun,
gusto
ganun
ko
lang.
sumagot. Hindi
Ganun
ako
lang
nagsasabi
simple.
na lesbian, gay, butch, lipstick. Wala, hindi ako nagsasabi ng ganun sa ko. Basta gusto ko, alam ko, sa sarili ko, gusto ko babae.
Yeah, we're the same. Ako rin.
Tapos,
ganun din ako.
i-describe ko na lang, gusto kong babae, feminine. Ganyan.
Yeah, same, we're same.
Para hindi na ako nagsasabi ng label, hindi na ako magsasabi ng kung ano.
Parang ako for me, di ba nga, it's third sex is a wide spectrum. Parang ako naguguluhan ako. in my opinion, parang bakit may ganito pa, may ganito, 'di ba plus na nga eh. Ako basta as long as I'm attracted as long as you're attracted to the same gender, same sex, it's already confirmation that you are on the third sex.
Yeah.
Sa akin lang.
So we've tackled coming out, labels. Let's talk about misconceptions. So first one, sabi nila homosexuality is a choice. What is your take on it?
Oh, I think it's a choice. Sa tingin ko lang it's a choice kasi kasi masyadong judgmental ang mundo. So when hindi lang naman sa third sex once you choose to be once you choose to be a gay or a lesbian, marami ng consequences Alam mo 'yon? Masyadong judgmental ang mundo. Kaya ang hirap katulad nung pinag-usapan natin last time, dito sa Pilipinas ang third sex we're already accepted but we're not tolerated.
Yeah.
So alam mo 'yon, kaya it's a choice. Pag kinonfirm mo sa sarili mo, you went out in the world na I'm gay, I'm lesbian, ang dami mong hindi barricade, ang dami mong ang tawag to, parang ang dami mong challenges na ma-encounter. Discrimination, alam mo yun. Yan, number 1 yan, discrimination. Diba? Ayun.
Ako, I agree. I also agree with homosexuality
pero
is...
for you, is it a choice? Or
yeah, it is
diba?
a choice.
It's a choice.
Kasi parang, pag bata ka, siguro pag nag-hit ka ng 12, 15, ano ka pa andun yung growing up stage, tapos na-expose ka pa lang sa mundo
Of everything.
So parang, tinitake mo muna kung ano yung nakikita mo, then you decide.
Yun nga, you decide on what you are.
Yun yung mga informative years, yung 9 to 15 years old.
Yeah, teens, puberty.
Diba? Diyan mo ititake in lahat ng nakikita mo. Tapos, mapapaisip ka na.
From there, you'll know what you
are. Doon papasok yung kung paano ka pinalaki. Doon papasok yung paano ka mag-decide. Diba? So,
agree.
For me, it's a choice. Ayan. So,
kaya, ayun. Sige. Wala.
Okay. So,
go.
Next naman is, sabi nila, yung pag naging bakla daw yung bata or naging lesbian or bisexual or whatever, sabi nila, the parents did something wrong. Do you agree with this?
In my experience, oo. In my experience,
harsh.
I'm not blaming them. Pero kasi ako, kaya I think I also became gay. Sa household namin, konti lang ang lalaki. Puro girls, tita ko, lola ko, si mama.
You grew up
with
surrounded by
feminine
women.
Feminine women, di pala feminine. Ayun na, feminine aspects, feminine attitude, ganon. Also siguro, paano ko ba masasabi? Hindi ko naman sinisisi si Papa, my father. He was so strict on me. Parang when I was typical father na umabot pa nga when I was grade 2, grade 3, pinaglalaro niya akong basketball.
Pino-force ka.
Oo, I am forced. So parang ako, ayoko kasi noon. Hindi ko siya trip. So lalo akong
May thinking ka na,
Parang lalo akong lumayo from that
oo.
from that idea na pag lalaki ka, you do basketball. You do this thing, you do that, you do this, you do that. Kaya parang ako, ay wala akong pakialam. I'll do my thing. Kaya lalo akong nag-push through on this, on being gay. Tapos nilalabas ko lang siya sa school. Dito sa bahay, wala. Parang ganon.
Oy, by the way, guys, yung mga nakikinig, yung sinasabi namin based
That's
on
our
our
opinion.
based
And
on our
our experience.
experiences, it doesn't necessarily mean that this is true or this is ito talaga yun. Parang sa amin ito lang naman. This is purely opinion.
Opinion and based on experience again.
On my end, parang sa akin, hindi naman siguro fault ng parents, pero parang in a way, we are influenced by them.
By them. Then, tsaka sabihin ko lang dahil nga sinabi ko, probably because of on how they brought me up, but it doesn't make them bad or less make them lacking parents. Alam mo yun?
Iba lang. May something lang na iba.
Oh, ikaw na ulit.
Ayun nga. So, parang sa akin, hindi naman nila kasalanan. Pero, in a way, parang may influence kasi sila on how we grew up. And from there, doon kasi tayo kumukuha ng paano tayo mag-decide eh.
Yes.
Paano tayo mag-isip.
Hindi
lang kasi ang education and knowledge, hindi lang nakukuha yun sa school
It's just a tip of the iceberg of our life.
Ako, naniniwala ako na mas magandang education yung nakukuha mo sa bahay.
Yeah.
Yung nakukuha mo sa tao sa paligid mo. Oo, compared to kasi ibang parents parang hayaan mo sila sa school, alam na nila gagawin nila, tinuturuan ng magulang, ng teachers yan.
We're paying them.
Education should start at home.
Ayun.
Yan. Yung mga
parang I kind of agree on you on that.
Dapat nagsisimula
based on experience din, based on experience.
Kaya yung mga magulang, ako I'm not a parent, I don't have a kid, pero hindi ibig sabihin na yung opinion ko ay mali. What I'm saying is that nakikita ko naging bata ako
You're a testament to that.
Naging bata ako nakita ko kung paano palakihin So, hindi ko sinasabing mali yung magulang ko, pero in a way, parang hindi ako napabayaan
Hindi naman tayo
Hindi kasi kami
napabayaan.
yung sa household namin, hindi kami nag-open up masyado sa magulang. Kasi yung parents ko, yung papa ko wala naman. Yung mama ko naman is a type of mother na tahimik lang, hayaan ka lang niya. Kakausapin ka niya pag may ginawa ka mali.
Ako naman,
nag-uusap naman kami, pero yung sabihin mo yung close na parang everyday tatanungin ka, how are you, ganyan. Walang ganun
We're not, feeling ko we're the same. We're not the type of setup na, Mom, I love you, ganun. We're not vocal. Ako rin, we're not vocal, kami nila mama. Probably because on my younger years, even my brother, with my brother and my sister, both of them are working. So, hindi nila kami masyadong tutok. But I'm not saying dahil hindi nila tutok nagkagulo-gulo na yung buhay namin. But siguro medyo hindi naman pinabayaan, parang they depended on our schooling. To the point na they don't know what is really happening with us.
Yan. Magandang point yan.
Diba?
So, we're done with coming out, labels, yung sinasabi nga na homosexuality is a choice, and our parents did something wrong or whatever. Next naman is, sinasabi nila na being a lesbian or being gay can be cured.
Ay, that's bullshit.
It's like, parang may sakit ka.
That's bullshit.
Yeah.
That's a total BS. Sobra.
Kasi diba, yung iba
may nagsasabi na may problem sa genes. Alam mo, bullshit yan. Napaka-bullshit.
Alam ko sa ibang bansa para may therapy session.
Yeah, nasa Netflix. So, nakalimutan ko anong movie
sa Scientology, parang, di ba? Parang pag gay ka, parang, okay, we can fix you. Ganyan. Attend ka ng ganitong therapy. Ano yung tawag doon?
Alin?
Parang attend ka ng school.
Nakalimutan ko, meron yung movie sa Netflix sa panood ko. Basta, parang sa States, it's based on a true story na he's gay, he's a closeted gay, then his parents knew kasi nag-boarding school siya, then nalaman ng parents niya, pinasok siya on this kind of boarding school na parang prayer meeting pa, ganyan na
to change you
to be with God, Sorry,
To act normal.
To be normal. Kasi it's abnormal to be gay or to be in the third sex. Again, that's a total bullshit. Napaka bullshit noon. Kasi, I remember tuloy, may friend ako nung college, ayoko na sabihin ng name. Sabi niya, sakit yan, yung mga pagiging bakla nyo. Hindi, pero we're close. Okay lang. May nagdiskusyon nga kami yun eh. Tapos nakakatawa lang kasi parang stick siya doon. Sobrang stick siya doon. Ewan ko, di ko alam kung scientist ba siya or yun. Basta sabi niya may something daw sa hormones. Fuck you. Fuck you. Unang-una sa lahat, fuck you. Yun lang. Ayoko na mag-go into details or ayoko na mag-explain so much why it's not based bakit bullshit yung ano na yan, yung statement na yan na as gays and lesbians kaya tayo naging ganito because there's something wrong with us physically and scientifically, ganon, because of our hormones. Parang tanga lang. Yun lang.
Siguro we both agree na it's a complete bullshit.
Diba?
Very wrong yun.
Very, very wrong. Yeah. It's total bullshit.
Okay. So on my next topic, hindi pala topic, next
basta yun na yun.
Myth or misconception. Sabi nila, the Bible condemns homosexuality.
Kasi ako, on my opinion the religion will not save your faith will.
Religion will not save you.
Your faith will.
Okay.
So, kasi I remember nung high school tayo, sa history, yung Bible natin, it's not the real Bible anymore.
It was changed.
It was changed.
Yeah, revised
Sino
so
bang,
many times.
Revised by the church so many times. So, ako, hindi naman sa hindi naniniwala. Sige,
filtered
fine.
Na siya eh.
It's filtered. Oo, it's filtered. So, nasa Bible yon that that man is only created for a woman. Yeah, man is only created for woman and vice versa. But hindi naman sinabing a man cannot love a man. A woman can't love a woman. 'Di ba? Sa akin, yun nga, kaya hindi ako hindi naniniwala, but it's filtered. Nakalimutan ko sinong teacher natin nagsabi, yung talagang nagsabi na ang Bible is ang true ang talagang Bible is yung St. James. Ano ba to?
Nakalimutan ko yung anong version niya.
St. James version. Basta yun. Lahat kaya hindi ako totally masyadong into the Bible thing. Basta ako, I'm a Catholic. I am raised by mother and father na Catholic. Devout nga ako sa Baclaran eh. Sa Baclaran Church. Pero yun nga, kaya hindi ako masyadong sa Bible.
Ako, what can I say? Dumating kasi sa point na parang nagbabasa talaga ako ng Bible. Regularly. Kasi
pero I don't question the Bible.
Naging naging YFC.
Ayan.
Parang sa pagbabasa ko, parang wala naman ako na-encounter na yun nga, na sinasabi mo na ang babae hindi pwede sa babae, ang lalaki hindi pwede sa lalaki. Parang wala naman ako. Don't take my word for it, pero based on my experience, wala naman ako nakita. Tsaka sa mga nabasa ko before, napanood ko, parang sinasabi na zero, nada, wala talaga.
Wala naman.
Wala talaga. Na homosexuality is a sin, walang ganun.
Walang ganun, wala. Yun lang talaga yung natatandaan ko lagi. Sinasabi nila na by mga talagang devout Catholics and Christians na man is only for the woman and woman is only for the man. Yun lang, sige, fine. We accept, I accept that. But we can love anyone. Diba?
Ayan. So,
kahit hindi platonic love.
Ayan. Next naman is marriage is between a man and a woman only.
Ako kasi, medyo hati ako dyan eh. 50-50 ako dyan. For me, as a gay, bigay na natin yan sa straight persons. Bigay na natin yan, fine. But, it won't stop us as gays, lesbians, LGBTQ to be in a relationship and be with a person that we love. Sa akin kasi, marriage, it's just a paper. Ako marriage is just a paper na magsasama kayo for kahit sa straight. But as long as you love one another, kahit hindi na magpakasal eh. For me siguro kung straight ako and I'll be in a relationship, sasabihin ko dun sa girl, huwag tayo magpakasal, we love each other naman. It's just a fucking piece of paper. It's just a ring, diba? So, fine, sa inyo na yan, to the straight persons. Pero I also support naman union. Siguro yun na lang yung term. Union of of two men or lesbians. Siguro yun na lang. Union na lang. Pero yung marriage by the Catholics, sige, sa inyo na yan.
Yeah.
Ibigay na natin yan sa kanila. That's all yours.
Yeah, ako, I agree with you kasi ang marriage is a sacrament.
Yeah, it's a sacrament.
And wala na tayong ano dyan, no questions.
Back off na.
Ako, I don't want yung marriage between babae, lalaki. Tulad mo, gusto ko iba din yung tawag. Hindi marriage siguro union.
Union, oo.
Partnership. For me, kailangan lang siya for legal purposes.
Yun pala. Sorry.
Kasi sa akin kasi, kunyari, ako kasi nagkaroon na rin naman ako ng mga relationship, tapos dumating din naman ako sa point na gusto ko na rin mag-settle down. Tapos naisip ko rin yun, sabi ko, paano pag yung mga properties ko?
Oo, totoo. Yun
tapos, di ba, magkakaroon tayo ng bahay, parehas nating binayaran. Tapos, di ba, kanino ko ipapangalan?
Yes. Tsaka yung simple na, alam mo yung...
ng mga kotse.
Hindi, alam mo yung simple thing lang na, pag may finifill upan tayo, call in case of emergency.
Yan, tsaka sa ospital.
Diba? Sa ospital, di ba? So,
sinong tatawagan?
Sinong kukontakin, sinong magiging legal na guardian mo, signatory mo, ganon. So, siguro legally, in legal terms, in legal things, siguro we need the union in papers.
Yan. Actually, yun yung gusto ko i-point out na hindi namin gusto ng kasal, ng marriage. Ang gusto namin, equal legal rights when it comes to things like that. Kasi, sa panahon ngayon, ang pagsasama ng babae, lalaki is normal na yun nangyayari.
It's
so,
already normal
bakit
thing.
hindi natin kayang protektahan? Yun lang naman yung hinihingi ng iba. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na gusto namin kasal kailangan sa simbahan.
Simbahan, yeah.
No, ang gusto namin yung legal namin,
unification.
yung mga rights na nakukuha ng mga
straight
kasal,
couples.
Oo, yun din yung gusto namin makuha tulad ng sa mga benefits pag sa mga
health cards, yes. Hindi, alam mo, share ko lang sa amin pwede na sa MaxiCare.
Oo nga, pero limited, hindi pa
kailangan lang ng proof ng proof na pagsasama, yes, of your partner.
So yun ako on my end, yun lang yung gusto ko, parang kung may marriage kayo, dapat meron din kami to protect our partner. Paano kasi pag may nangyari sa akin, ganyan. Diba? Kasi parang sa ngayon, mamili ka it's either your parents or
your
partner
sisters, your siblings, yun lang. Pero yun nga, wala akong jowa.
Ako na, wala ng jowa. Wala na. Wala na. Hindi naman big sabihin kailangan may jowa no?
Pero siguro, if I will be in a relationship, ay hahanapin ko rin yan. Yung legal bond or legal unification. Wala akong pakialam kung mag-ano kami. Ayoko ng kasal. Siguro yun nga, unification lang. Yun lang.
Ayun.
Legally.
Ayan. Ito naman.
Ano
ito
yan?
Doon tayo sa
misconceptions,
so, sabi nila, same-sex couples have male and female roles. What can you say about this?
Kung top or bottom. Ako, ang opinion ko dyan,
hindi top or bottom Male and female roles. Na parang kinakahon ka. Parang,
okay.
Sa street, may lalaki at babae.
I thought sexually. Sorry, malibog ako. Char. Pero I think, sige, kung bagang sino magiging housewife type.
Parang ganun.
Sino magiging alpha. Sa akin, hindi na kailangan.
Walang ganun.
Oo. Sa akin if I'll be in a relationship, whatever you comfortable ka. Sorry, ang gulang English ko. Whatever you are comfortable of or comfortable with what you're doing, kunyari if you're living in, if you're comfortable of doing the dishes, do the dishes, 'di ba? Siguro hindi naman kailangan na you're in our relationship, you'll be the girl, you do this and ako yung alpha guy, so I'll work, so stay at home house husband, ganun lang. Sabi ko, hindi, I don't that. Parang ayoko lang ng ganung klaseng labels. Kasi kahit naman kahit sino sigurong tao, even in straight relationship siguro, darating sa point na parang hindi, example na lang, parang may parents, umabot sa point na si mama lang nagwo-work, my father si papa ay after niya mag-retire, stay at home na lang. So alam mo, magkaroon ng switch of roles.
Na ika nga ng roles.
'Di ba? So sa akin hindi magma-matter 'yon. It doesn't matter to me na kailangan ganito ka. Pero sa gay relationship, sexually, sa tingin ko kasi may sinabi si BJ Pascual on their vlog ng boyfriend niya. They're not like the sinong top, sinong bottom. Basta as long you're happy with each other. Okay na 'yon. Pero sa akin medyo kailangang i-discuss siya. If you're in a relationship, who will be the giver and receiver? Yun na lang yung term. Wag na top or bottom. Yun lang. I think kailangan yun i-discuss. Pero nasa sa inyo naman yun eh. If you're like satisfied with each other, this kind of setup, you're just wanking with each other, walang penetration, be it, okay lang. So yun lang sa akin lang, parang kailangan lang magkaroon ng on that aspect sexually. Ganon.
Sa akin naman,
pero I think sa inyo rin dapat may ganon, diba?
Hindi, ako may take on it.
Okay.
Kasi diba, being in a relationship doesn't necessarily mean na kailangan may role ka na i-play or kailangan may part ka na gawin. I mean, for me I always see a relationship as an equal thing. Dapat 50 sa'yo, 50 sa akin. Parang hindi ibig sabihin na kailangan ikaw yung male, male, ikaw yung parang
siguro na lang, what you are lacking, I'll fill in. Siguro ganun na lang.
Parang sa akin, dapat hindi dapat what you're lacking. Dapat when you come into a relationship that 100% ka.
Sabagay.
Parang dapat yung relationship nyo dapat nagko-complement lang kayo with each other. Hindi dapat I should feel what you're lacking. Hindi dapat gano'n. Yung sa male and female roles on my end sa relationship ko. Siguro nagkakaroon lang ng gano'n kasi parang may mas parang may mas meron magkakaroon talaga ng parang mas strong yung personality. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na he or she is taking the male role
or the female
role. He or
role.
she is taking the female role. Walang ganun dapat. On my end. Tapos dun sa part ng sexual, dun tayo sa part ng
Oh my God. Sige.
When it comes to bed, ganyan. Siguro tama ka na dapat siya i-discuss. Pero ako kasi I can do both. I can receive and I can give. Pero depende talaga sa preference mo eh. Kunyari, paano ko yung partner ko very feminine. Gusto niya siya yung receiver. Okay lang sa akin.
Ayun nga, kaya nga you have to talk about it. Diba?
Pero hindi ibig sabihin na kailangan, ako yung top ikaw yung bottom. Hindi. Pwede naman kasing top bottom tayo ganyan. Pwede namang, happy lang tayo.
Happy lang tayo, gawin na natin. Let's get it on.
So sa akin, wala dapat ganun eh. Dapat yung labels talagang medyo iwas-iwasan natin.
Hindi.
Hindi, parang hindi mo kailangan i-label pero kailangan mag-usap tayo.
Yun nga, siguro good communication na lang din. Kaya you have to talk about it. Kaya yun yung sinasabi ko.
Kasi ang hirap kasi parang top ako paano pag nagusto mo maging bottom? Parang pag na-experience mo
I remember, ganyan. Sorry pasok ko lang. Naalala ko na yung movie yun, Boy Erased. Nasa Netflix yun.
Boy Erased? Ano yan? Thai ba yan?
Tama ba ako? Hindi siya Thai. Jared discovers that he is homosexual and tells his family. However, his father sends him to a conversion therapy camp where he is introduced to some questionable philosophy and methods. Yon. May pinatay pa nga dyan. Yeah. Pinatay or namatay. Basta gano'n.
Ayan. So, ito naman. Hindi naman tayo bisexual pero we'll touch on this. Bisexual people are greedy because they can't make up their minds. What can you say about that?
I don't know. Parang, bakit greedy?
Kasi parang greedy, gusto mo lahat Gusto mo lalaki, gusto mo babae, ganyan.
Hindi. I think not. Hindi sila greedy.
Ako din.
They're just following what they want. Oo. Greedy kapag, pag kinuha mo na lahat. lahat ng klaseng
siguro
sides.
Siguro hindi greedy yung yung term. Parang mali talaga na greedy yung term. Dapat, hindi. Bisexuals are free-spirited.
Lang siya, parang
love is love parang
love is love.
Ako din, on my end, love is love. Malay mo ako, makahanap ako ng lalaki na gustuin ko, pero sa ngayon hindi talaga eh.
Oh, yeah, me too.
Hindi talaga eh.
Parang hindi ako papasok, parang I don't see myself being with a woman. But
siguro ako ay might kay James
Charot.
Reid, ganun.
Ay?
Charay.
Ano ka, grabe.
Kay James Reid, di ba?
Ano, isa bagay.
James Reid, tapos Coco Martin, tapos
Ew, yeah.
Yoon Bin.
Mali.
Yun
Paolo
din, tsaka-
Avellino.
Ay, ayoko si Paolo.
Ay, ano ba yun?
Hindi ko ben.
Sarap. Char.
Si ano, yung sa... Ano to? Yung sa My Girl.
My girl, Gerald Anderson.
Hindi,
Ah,
My
sa
Girl.
Lidong Wo.
Oo, si Lidong
Lidong Wo.
Wo.
Ako naman, girl crush ko si Charlize Theron.
Ay, oh.
Charlize Theron.
Pak na pak naman
Crush ko
yan.
siya. Tsaka Angelina Jolie.
Ayan.
Yun.
Oh, ito naman. Malapit na tayo matapos.
Ay, why? Char.
What's
Ano ba
this?
ginagawa mo?
Bakit may ganyan?
Ano?
Okay. Sorry.
Okay, we're having technical charot.
Ayan. Sabi nila, the LGBT community is one big happy family.
Yes, it's a big yes. It's a big yes for me.
Yeah. I
So,
agree.
siguro hindi lang naman LGBT, everyone. Ang pangit lang medyo napangitan lang ako sa term na yan na LGBT is a big, yes, we're a community, pero hindi lang kami yung happy. Lahat naman dapat maging happy.
Yeah!
Diba? Lahat naman kailangan maging happy,
Oo.
whether you're straight, gay, bi, whatever you are.
Ba't kailangan magkaroon ng
Ng division.
Oo. Ba't natin
Diba?
kailangan ano lang na, sila lang yan.
Sila lang, straight people, medyo baduy ang buhay nyo, ganun.
Dapat ano tayo?
Lahat, oo.
Equal.
Equal, ayun nga,
We
equality.
see each other as equals. Dapat ganun. Dapat wala tayong, ay, bakla. Ay, lesbian.
Pero,
ay,
pero
wala
it's
dapat
true,
ganun
gay people are happy. We're always happy. Parang, we set aside the negativities and turn the negativities into a positive thing.
Pero siguro
Diba?
may mga part ng ano natin, nakatulad natin na nagkakaroon din ng konting struggle. I'm not saying na hindi lahat happy kasi baka yung iba parang nahirapan eh.
Siguro.
Kasi baka nasa traditional family tapos
Yeah.
ganyan or sa work nila nahirapan
nila,
sila mag-out. So, pero parang 98%
Siguro
hindi ko
98%,
happy
oo.
naman. Don't take our numbers Wag niyong seryosohin yung numbers namin. Parang ano lang, estimate.
Siguro majority yun.
Guesstimate.
Fine.
Guesstimate.
Basta majority. Majority of the gay people I know, we're happy.
Ayan. Tapos sabi naman nila, yung mga tulad natin, we thrive on work or things related to the arts and media.
Yeah. Ako,
Is it true?
I kinda agree. With, diba, alam mo naman, ever since I love singing,
Yeah.
medyo nagkaroon ako ng ambition to be a singer. Siguro yun nga. Best of both worlds kasi tayong mga gays eh. We have the thinking of a woman and a man. So, for me, in my experience, parang I have this thing na on singing, on arts. Hindi ko lang pinapakita before I used to draw. Alam mo yan. I used to draw,
Oh.
'di ba? I used to draw and paint. Pero dahil medyo tinamad na ako,
Walang practice.
walang practice. Pero I know I can draw. Good.
Oo.
Alam mo yan. You saw some of my things before. Pero yun nga, also in singing, alam mo ng mga nakakilala sa akin dyan. Kaya siguro ang kaya tayo yung statement na yon, ano yun? We thrive on arts. Yun nga, because nga we have our brains are best of both worlds. Woman and the man. Diba? Hindi lang isa.
I agree. Although, tinry ko kasi mag-aral ng guitar.
Yeah, I
tapos
know.
may keyboard sa bahay.
Aha.
At mahilig talaga ako sa music. Siguro,
Me too,
hindi
musical
man ako
inclined.
yung super talented kumanta. Alam ko naman sa sarili kaya kong kumanta. Yan. Tapos, tawag dito, siguro hindi ko
Tsaka hindi, kasi siguro as gays, marami tayong inspirations.
Oo.
Like me, musical inspirations ko, Regine Velasquez, my God, the greatest singer on earth. Well, di ba, Mariah Carey, and Whitney Houston. And on male din, I love James Ingram. Yan talaga yung mga musical influences ko and inspirations.
Yeah. Tsaka pag makikita mo sa mga fashion magazines, sa TV, most of the
media,
producers,
art
ganyan,
and the
mga
gay.
photographers, tapos
They're
basta
gay.
lahat, kahit PA, makikita mo, most of them are,
LGBTQ.
yeah.
Lahat ng, basta anything media related.
Hindi naman namin sinasabing lahat.
Hindi naman
pero
lahat.
karamihan sa mga
Even in corporate world,
Oo.
even in corporate world, na ang nasa corporate ladder, mga Becky, believe me. Believe me, don't take my word, pero those who knows me on the company that we're working, the big bosses are gays. Yes.
Harsh.
No, hindi. That's a fact. For me, that's a fact. Ewan ko lang sa kanila. Charot!
Ayaw masyado mag-comment, pero siguro, marami. Actually, marami naman.
Diba?
Marami
Oo.
talaga.
And it's, nakaka-proud. Actually, nakaka-proud siya. Nakaka-proud siya in my end. Na, I see on our corporate ladder sa office namin, gay men are on the top. Oh, diba?
On top.
We're on top.
Yeah. So, I guess
Diba?
ayun. For today yan muna.
Oo. Actually, parang wala tayong masyadong gana ngayon.
Oo.
Actually, naubos sa energy natin because we visited our friend.
Hindi naman sa walang
Charot!
energy, pero parang chill lang. Tulad
Oo,
ng
chill
sabi
lang.
namin,
It's gloomy.
itong podcast namin is, tawag dito, ano lang siya talaga, parang pang-release lang ng stress namin.
Yeah, because of this
Yeah.
fucking pandemic. Oops, sorry for the word.
we don't want to force ourselves to record something na ayaw naman namin gawin. So,
Actually, I'm enjoying this.
Yeah.
I'm enjoying this.
Most of the time, yung mga topics, bago kami mag-record, sinasabihan ko muna si Albert na, oy Albert, parang, I think maganda tong topic na to.
Yeah.
Siguro for the next episode, ikaw na magbigay ng topic.
Ano topic?
Ayan.
So,
Yan ang
mag-isip
assignment
ako.
mo, ikaw
So,
ang bibigay
mag-isip
ng
ako.
topic. Kasi most of the time, ako yung nagta-topic eh. Ako
Ano
yung
ba yan? Bigyan ako ng pressure Anong, i-tweet nyo sa akin. Kung may listeners tayo, anong gusto nyong namin? I-topic. Charot!
Kasi minsan, during the weekdays, habang nag-work, naisip ko parang, ano kaya ita-topic namin sa weekend? Tapos, binibase ko yung topic, based doon sa mga na-experience ko for the week.
Pwede
Yan.
rin. Pwede.
So, yun. Ganun ako pumili ng topic namin. So, yung today's topic is very random. Nung isang araw wala na isip.
Actually, napag-usapan nga natin last week, ang ita-topic natin is about movies.
Oo.
Pero dahil,
Pero baka yan, sige. Since
Movies
nabanggit mo,
tayo.
next week movies naman.
sige,
Yeah.
medyo entertainment side. Charot!
So,
More on entertainment. Ayun, i-guess ba natin yung friend natin? Sometime na lang, no?
Oo.
Ako
Parang-
maririnig niya to.
Napakinggan daw niya yung last.
Jana?
Ewan kung tinapos niya.
Ay, Jana.
Hindi, siguro for that episode with Jana, siya mamili ng topic.
Naku,
Para
sige.
siya yung mag-lead.
Pwede, sige. Okay lang.
Mga juicy. Gusto ba niya ng juicy
Oh my
topic? Yung mga
God.
tipong may ilalaglag kami.
Ay, no, wag.
No, wag.
Wag ganun.
Cannot be. Mahirap na.
Hindi, mag-ano na
Maraming
lang tayo.
mawawasak. Na loob.
Na loob at
Wala na ako sasabihin.
ayoko na. May sasabihin sana ako pero wag na. Well, naku ba maririnig ni Jana to. Hi, Bes.
Hi, Jana. We love you. Galing kami
Kinig
sa
ka.
Ops, yung mga naikinig dyan na taga Pilipinas, na taga Las
Las
Piñas.
Piñas, Bacoor area.
Try
Then,
nyo naman pumunta sa
Ayan.
Hungry Shrimp.
Yan, we have endorsement.
Yan,
Ay, naku,
so,
Jana, endorsement na to.
Bagong bukas sila ulit kasi nagsara sila.
Because of the pandemic.
Lumipat
so,
sila ng place.
They
Sa ano to?
Vatican Street. I forgot.
BF.
BF Resort, Las Piñas.
Vatican Street.
Yeah, basta Hungry Shrimp.
So may kita nyo
Along,
naman.
siguro that street is along Seaton. Oh, tama, along Seaton. We just came there from our dear friend, Jana, and she has a restaurant.
Pwede nyo
If
naman
want to
pala
drop by,
i-Waze.
Waze, oo, pwede
Oo.
rin.
So ang pangalan is Hungry Shrimp
Yeah.
BF. Tama.
Best calamari in town,
Yeah.
believe me.
Order
Walang
the
halong
best
echos.
calamari and ano to? Kare-kare.
Kare-kare.
Ano yung kare-kare?
Yeah, kare-kare.
Yun, kare-kare nila and calamari.
Yeah, ako talaga yung calamari ever since. Yan talaga
So, visit nyo naman yung friend namin, si Jana.
Ah.
Si Chris Bernal. Joke lang.
so, si Chris Bernal pala siya. Sorry.
Joke lang.
Char lang.
Hindi, maganda kasi yung friend namin. Baka may kakilala kayong single and ready to mingle.
Oh my God.
Tayo na binenta.
Bebenta natin si Jana. Tayo. Matchmaking. Charot!
Episode na to, this is for Jana. We love you so much.
Oo.
And
Tayo doon.
we want the best for you. So,
Ay?
minamarket ka na namin. Nahanapan ka na namin ng jowa.
Sana na meron
mo.
kami listener na
Na pogi!
Pogi. Ay,
Hindi. Yung ano pala, yung Pogi magmahal.
Oo, magmahal.
Very loyal.
Very loyal. At
At walang sabit.
Ay! Huwag naman. Ikaw naman.
Oo, hindi.
Job
Kasi
na ba?
kailangan ilatag na natin kung ano
Walang
man hinahanap natin
sabit.
for our friend.
Yung mamahalin ka ng walang kahati. Oh my God.
Yeah. Yung mamahalin ka na ikaw lang.
Parang gusto ko na iga si Jana. Gusto kaya natin si Jana next week.
Ayan,
Baka
so
busy
yun.
siya eh. Char. Oo.
Ayan.
She's busy with her business kasi nga because of the pandemic. Parang nadapa kasi yung nila, business nila. So she's picking things up. And okay naman.
Tsaka kung may listener kayo, ay may mga listeners from Bahayang Pag-asa, Cavite, dito. La Calle Burger.
Yeah. Oo, masarap yung burger nila.
Our friend, good friend, Neil.
Neil Estabilio. Hi, Neil. Sana makinig ka naman, girl.
So, yung best burger in town.
Yeah. Ano siya.
Yeah. Sobrang sarap at its price point. Sobrang sarap talaga. Yun lang masasabi ko.
It's Army Navy-ish.
Ay, yan.
Yeah.
Taray,
Army Navy-ish.
Basta masarap yung burger,
Totoo.
masarap yung secret sauce nila.
And it's homemade.
Yeah, and
that's a good thing.
Yung presyo, sobrang abot kaya.
Competitive.
Yeah, competitive
very
yung
competitive
price, hindi siya mahal.
Affordable. Same sarap, pero di sing mahal.
Yan. So, yan. We are endorsing our good friends' businesses. So, Hungry Shrimp in BF and La Calle Burger in Bahayang Pag-asa. Ano bang face yun?
Hindi ko rin. Face 11. Hindi ko alam.
Basta La Calle Burger, hanapin nyo sa Facebook. Yan. So, I guess that's it for today's podcast.
Yeah.
Nagkaroon kami ng konting energy nung patapos
na, no?
Kasi talagang para kaming napagod eh.
Pagod kami today.
Napagod kami kasi umalis kami around 9:30.
Medyo productive ang araw namin
9:30 and it's already 4:41.
Yeah, diba?
And yung recording is 60 minutes lang yung pwedeng i-record. So, we are on the
51st.
51. 51
going
minutes na
52nd
pala kami.
minutes.
Yan, so yun. May gusto ko pa bang sabihin?
Wala na. Happy weekend, everyone!
Happy weekend!
Ay, Sunday. Tomorrow is Monday.
Oops! Yun pala! For the Blinks! Pumiyok
Oh
pa!
my God, Blinks!
Yung mga Blackpink na fans dyan, I know you guys are very excited.
Naka-leave ka ba for that?
Yeah, I'm on leave.
Oh
So,
my God.
on October 2 is Blackpink's full album release.
Oh my
And
God.
I guess all Blinks are very excited. I just hope na yung mga Blinks dyan will be united on that day.
Oh my.
Please stream. And hindi ko na i-discuss on how to stream properly. You can see that on Twitter.
YouTube.
Basta, if you're going to stream using one account, just use one device. Kasi pag ginamit nyo siya on multiple devices, hindi siya makakount. So,
Ano
yun.
sa V-Live?
They will be on V-Live, Philippine time around 10. Tama ba?
10 ano ba? 10 p.m.?
Basta check nyo na lang sa official IG page nila and Facebook and Twitter. Basta mag-V-Live sila on October 2. 1 hour lang daw ang chika. Pero sana mag-V-Live ulit sila on Twitter or on YouTube for the countdown. Ayun, so sana yung mga Blinks dyan, united tayo. Mga Filipino Blinks.
Ay, grabe.
Shout out sa mga Filipino Blinks. Ako, Baby Blink. Don't
Baby.
judge me. Kaka-convert ko lang into a Blink this year. And I have bought the full album.
Ikaw na.
The LP version. And the version 1 and version 4.
Oh my God, sorry.
Yan. So, nabili ko na yon. Kailangan ko pang bilhin yung dalawa. Pinag-isipan ko pa kasi ang mahal, guys.
Nakakaubos ang pera yung pinaggagawa mo.
Ayan. So, support, guys. Support tayo sa Pinks. They have waited for this for so long. This is their full album. Ang lupit ng teaser. Sino man nakikinig dyan? Kakadrop lang ng teaser nila today. Around 8 a.m. Dinrop yung teaser ni Rose and Lisa.
Oh my God.
Tapos 3 p.m. kanina lang na-drop yung teaser ni Jisoo and Jennie.
Ba't magkakahiwalay sila?
Hindi, ganun talaga. Ganun yung
okay.
pag-drop ng mga teasers.
Oh, every member of the one song lang to, tapos iba-iba silang teaser.
Hindi, one song, different teasers. So.
Oh, kaya nga.
Once a month.
Per member.
Oo. Siyempre, tapos hindi ko alam kung magkaka-teaser na magkakasama sila. I haven't checked. It's 4:44.
Ay, ba yan?
After this recording, I'll check their page. Kung may group teaser na sila. Kasi usually, photos pa lang. Ang dinrap nila kaninang umaga and this afternoon is individual teasers. Tapos, yung mga Blinks are clowning again. They say na magkakaroon ng collab with Cardi B. We are not sure, but if there is such, I'm happy, I'm excited. Yun. Stream properly, guys. Kung kaya nyo mag-leave kayo. Stream party tayo. Chat nyo ko.
Oh, sige, suminom pa ng tubig.
Pagod ako.
Kasi naman, ang dami mong spill.
Hype ako eh. Hype na hype
Talagang
ako.
ayaw mo ng dead air, ha?
Hype na hype ako.
Ano pa yung dead air?
Sobrang very emotional for some Blinks kasi after 4 long years, tsaka lang magkakaroon ng full album ang Blackpink.
Oh my God.
Yan. So,
parang momentous event to.
yeah, this is a very special event na sana
So
supportahan ng mga
momentous.
Blinks. Kung hindi nyo kaya bumili ng album, just stream it. Stream properly.
Nasa Spotify ba sila? Yung mga,
They are on stream on Spotify, stream on YouTube.
YouTube.
Pero for the first 24 hours, we encourage Blinks to stream it on YouTube.
Oh.
Kasi we have this goal of ilang million, I forgot. You can just check the Twitter accounts ng mga Filipino Blinks. Basta ilang million yung goal natin. So stream properly, and if you can register multiple accounts, much better, so you can stream on different devices na tas maka-count siya.
Ay, taray.
Ayun. So,
We're
yun.
so active on it. On this.
Yeah!
Wala, medyo ako sa BL ngayon. Pero may pinapanood ako. If you want to watch Oxygen the series, nakakakilig. Kaya medyo nakamove na ako sa Together. So, to those BL fans, sana meron we're listening, who are listening to us, panoorin yung Oxygen the series. It's cute. Thai BL siya.
Ayan.
Papanoorin ko pa lang actually, 3rd episode. Yeah.
Ayan. So, 56 minutes. I guess we can already close
Let's wrap it
this
up.
episode.
Happy weekend, everyone.
So, nagustuhan ba yung topic natin today?
Oo. Medyo, ewan ko ba ito, parang ang baba ng energy na. Basta napagod
Hindi
tayo
naman
ngayon.
mababa, pero kasi yung pinag-usapan natin medyo seryoso.
Ay, actually. Medyo talagang tagos siya. Tagos
Yeah.
talaga. Oh, anyway, 57 minutes na. Oh.
Ayan. So, yan. Bye, guys. Have a great
Happy weekend,
week
everyone.
ahead. Stay positive. Alam natin
Stay
COVID.
positive but not
Yeah.
positive.
Yeah, but
COVID
not,
positive.
but don't be positive. do not become positive. Yun na lang. Ayan.
Ayun. Ah, sorry, may pinakita
May
lang.
pinapakita si Albert na LGBT na shoes. Ayun
No,
na,
slides. Ang Adidas.
Ayan.
Ang ganda. Meron na sa Capital. Oh my
Magkano
God.
yan?
1.6.
Ayun.
Why not? It's cute.
Chinelas, 1.6.
Why not? Kung nga, nakabili ka nga ng magazine worth 4,000.
Sorry na.
O, sige na.
So, yun. So, bye guys. Have a great week.
Bye.
Bye!